And Kim, Lexi's gonna fill it up with hydrogen peroxide, right? Okay, you can do half, that's good.
A second.
I'll do my live.
Hey, Kim.
Alright, it's going down into the bottle.
Yeah. Yeah, go
Put
after
the rest
Kim.
in there. That all?
Yeah.
Nope.
Who did?
A few more drops.
There's no pink.
Now push it.
It isn't fresh.
Do it.
Yes.
It's gotta go right in.
Hold it.
Right in there. In there, in there. Excellent. Now keep going. Let's pour a lot in there. Kim's gonna tear open the bag of yeast
No rain.
and we're gonna put it inside the cup. Put it in there. Alright, we have a little water in there. Lexi's stirring up the mixture.
I hope it explodes. I hope it
And then we're going
pops
to
open.
combine the two of them and we should get a volcano, right?
Ding!
Here we go. Put it in, there she goes. Ah!
I did it.
It did it, Jess. Look at that.
Alyssa,
Right.
what are you doing here? Alyssa's here.